Good afternoon everyone. My name is P. Suman Prakash, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to explain some basic about HTML document. HTML is a hypertext markup language. Initially we will start with flavors of HTML. HTML consists of many flavors. First it is HTML2, the basic standard supported by earlier browsers like Mosaic. In HTML 3.0, a standard that was never widely adopted as it was developed during the time of heavy browser innovations. In HTML 3.0, a version of HTML 3.0 specification that adopted many browser invented elements and removed non-implemented HTML 3.0 elements. HTML 4.0 transitional, the modern version of HTML, complete with the frames, scripting, style sheet support. HTML 4.0 strict, a version of HTML that removes most of the presentational features of language in favor of CSS based presentation. In HTML 4.0 frameset, a version of HTML that defines support for frames and inline frames here. Now we'll see the basic structure of HTML documents. Normally client server communication, client want to send the data to server in the form of protocols are important. Our HTTP protocol is very important, and also along with this here the documents need to be exchanged here, that is in the form of HTML documents. HTML document must start with the document type declaration called as doc type HTML. Initially all these HTML documents consist of with tags here. Each tag has its own importance and reason. In HTML document, the starting tag or all the tags are arranged in the form of tree structure. The starting tag will be HTML, the ending tag /HTML. This is one example for HTML document. HTML syntax. Now HTML headings here. HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6. H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the last important heading. This is for H1, H2 and H3. How to set a parameters in HTML tags here? Here we use the tag name called as P to set the new paragraph. Next, to set the hyperlinks we use for the anchor tag A, the H hyper reference. To insert image here we use here image tag followed by source file tag, SRC tag. Each element in HTML document, that is in the form of tag name followed by ending tag. In between the content represent combination of starting tag, content and ending tag. We are calling as here HTML elements. HTML elements are building blocks of HTML documents. Now these are the simple example for HTML tags here. This is represents about the nested tag. This is the title attribute here. In this title attribute here we are giving title of the web page here. This is one example for HTML document. HTML syntax. Alt attribute, if you want, instead of specifying the address here, we will specify the name also. These are all the examples of tags here. Basic tags are available. Thank you.